What? Mom, what?
We're gonna be way off on this.
I'm gonna follow up on that one.
Oops. Should I have a sad face?
That's tough.
The Epidzoologist in Africa. Oh my word!
Three times.
Oh, look at that.
I know him.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi. My expectation.
Okay. So isn't that great?
That's where I wanted to sit. No, very back. Back. Oh. Why would I sit in the middle? I sit in the front. Okay, yep.
remember, Mom was a teacher.
Twice a week.
Twice a week? Did you watch it twice a week?
Maybe.
Not at home.
For a month. Like, I'm gonna do it. Like, I'm gonna be a neat freak.
Oh. You're not gonna do it 8 times.
What, 2 times a week? That feels right.
Excited to hear that. I'm gonna bring mine down for you.
Okay. It's a good living on campus. It's related. It's related.
We are golden. Playing soccer. Soccer.
Surprise and bomb.
We lost.
Yeah, we didn't do too well.
We won! We won!